Welcome to this explainer. We're diving right into how the biggest technological revolution in human history is completely rewiring your everyday life. You know, the technology of tomorrow isn't just on the horizon anymore. It's quite literally here today, actively rewriting the rules of how we live, work, and connect. So think about this for a second. What if your home just managed itself? Imagine waking up tomorrow and artificial intelligence is already anticipating exactly what your family needs before your feet even hit the floor. We're not just talking about a preset alarm or a smart light bulb here. Imagine a deeply integrated system that knows you're awake, checks the weather outside, and preps your entire environment before you even think about hitting snooze. Section 1. Waking up to tomorrow, the dawn of the digital revolution. We're going to take a quick journey through a typical day in the near future. And the scale we're talking about, it's massive. This digital transformation is actually larger than the invention of electricity. Innovation is accelerating so incredibly fast right now, making machines fully capable of learning, adapting, and basically making the executive decisions needed to simplify your chaotic morning. For the very first time in human history, we're surrounded by machines that don't just blindly follow pre-programmed commands, they actually learn to make our lives infinitely easier. Section 2. Saving families time, the Internet of Things in action. Okay, so as you're rushing to get ready, the Internet of Things, or IoT, is working totally behind the scenes to give you back those precious morning minutes. I mean, anyone with a busy household knows the morning rush is basically an Olympic sport, right? But here, you have this massive team of invisible helpers. We're talking smart speakers, security cameras, thermostats, and connected appliances, all constantly exchanging information to run your home flawlessly. Your coffee's already brewing automatically, the thermostat has perfectly adjusted to the morning temperature, and the security system disarms the second you walk into the kitchen. That daily friction just vanishes. And the real secret sauce to this frictionless morning, it's that machines exchange information entirely without human intervention. Because of this massive scale of connectivity, your smart home just handles the tedious chores on autopilot. It drastically cuts down your daily stress before you've even walked out the front door. It's all about true convenience. Having automation on this level gives you and your family the absolute ultimate luxury, actual time to enjoy your morning, instead of just trying to survive it. Section 3. Navigating the smart city, your seamless commute. So you step out the door, hop in the car, and boom, you enter this brilliant urban ecosystem known as a smart city. And it basically runs on this continuous, lightning-fast loop. Step 1. Sensors collect the information. Step 2. AI analyzes that data in real time. And Step 3. The networks instantly distribute that intelligence straight to the traffic lights and the self-driving cars. The result? It completely eliminates morning gridlock. It's almost like the city is thinking and breathing right alongside you. And because literally every building, road, and service is connected, everyday things like waste management and emergency responses are incredibly optimized. I mean, emergency services can respond so much faster because the city literally clears a path for them through traffic using intelligent analytics. Energy consumption is optimized minute by minute across the entire grid, which, by the way, can potentially save millions of megawatts a year. The daily routine for absolutely every resident just becomes infinitely safer and smoother. Moving on to Section 4, the invisible engine, powering your convenience. Now, with billions of moving parts in a smart city, you might be wondering what keeps this whole thing from just completely collapsing. Well, enter the digital twin. This is a virtual copy of a city, a factory, or really any complex system, and it's used to test changes before applying them in the real world. By building this precise virtual replica, engineers can spot potential problems way early. Say they want to test out a brand new traffic pattern for your commute. They just run it on the digital twin first. It's completely risk-free. These virtual replicas are rapidly becoming the gold standard for managing complex systems all over the globe. We're talking everything from testing commercial airplanes to optimizing entire healthcare systems. By drastically reducing costs and massively improving efficiency, these digital twins act as the ultimate safety net. They're the reason our fast-paced, high-tech world can operate so flawlessly behind the scenes. Section 5. The quantum leap, solving the impossible. All right, to process the millions of variables happening simultaneously inside a digital twin or a smart city, we obviously need a massive leap in computing power. Think about it. Traditional computers process information using bits, and for truly complex problems, they could honestly take thousands of years to find a solution. But quantum computers, they use qubits, which means they can solve those exact same problems in mere minutes. It is a completely new paradigm of computational power. This mind-blowing speed empowers scientists to revolutionize, well, pretty much everything. We're talking drug discovery, climate modeling, financial analysis, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. They can find a new cure in a fraction of the usual time. Ultimately, this massive quantum power is what processes the endless streams of data keeping your smart home and city running without a single hitch. Quantum computing is absolutely the tool pushing our smart infrastructure right into the stratosphere. Section 6. A life redefined by tech. The future starts now. So, fast forward to the end of the day. As you return home to your perfectly managed smart environment, you realize one absolutely vital thing. The future is not decades away. The future is happening right now. Things like AI, IoT, smart cities, and digital twins, these aren't just distant sci-fi concepts anymore. They are literally weaving together into our daily routines today, silently supporting, simplifying, and protecting our lives right in the background. But there is one common thread powering this whole shebang. Data is quickly becoming the world's most valuable resource. It's the new oil. In this era, AI's capabilities are expanding every single year, honestly rivaling the impact of electricity itself. Every sensor, every smart car, and every single digital twin is powered by data. It is the absolute lifeblood of our new frictionless reality. Which brings us to this. The next big breakthrough is a lot closer than you think. So are you ready? Because the only real question left is just how quickly these ongoing innovations will completely change the way you live, work, and connect with the world around you. We've seen how they save us time and optimize our cities, but believe me, this revolution, it's only just getting started. Thanks so much for joining me in this explainer. Stay curious, and I'll catch you next time.